Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We just got back from a trip and I came home to a pretty little package from Seint. So I thought I would unbox it with you and show you what I got. I still cannot hear out of this ear, which is super annoying. So drop any comments below about how to restore your hearing after a rough flight. The flight was actually great. I think that the pilot just descended too fast and me and my oldest have some hearing difficulties today. But anyway, that is not the point of this video. I wanted to open this up with you and show you what I got. So let me find something sharp. I always start the camera slightly too soon and then I'm looking for something to open the box. One day I will learn, but today is not that day. So I found a pen. Here we go. Alright, so when you get a package from Seint, they have beautiful packaging and it will come with all of this filler inside, which makes a mess, which my cat absolutely loves. And then it's like a little adventure to go through and find all your goodies. Ah! Okay, so first thing I got is one of the only two brushes I don't own, which is the powder brush. I have never used it, so I'm excited to do a full face using this brush only, so let me know if you want to see that. And then I think I got another brush. Hold on. I did. I got the Multitasker Brush, which, let's open this up. This one can be used as a lip on this side or this side. I've seen some artists use it for contour or for very specific color correction needs. So if you have very dark pigment here and are just trying to color correct those areas before doing your makeup, this is a great brush for that, so you're not getting too much product on your face. That's the magic of this makeup. We don't want a ton of layers and cakiness and anything like that. We do our best to get as little makeup on the face to just create that beautiful filter to enhance your natural beauty. So I picked this guy up. I'm excited to try that. I'll show you what the powder brush looks like as well. So when you get your brushes, they come in this cardboard, and then they also come wrapped. I don't know if you can see, there's like a netting around it, so that's going to keep all the bristles really nice and protected while it's getting to your door. And then they're this beautiful brushed gold, and every brush is double-ended, so you're getting two brushes for the price of one. The bristles are super soft. The bristles are super soft. So this one has like an angled flat top, and then this side has like a domed, it's a very unique shape. So it's going to be good if you like to bake and you really want to press that powder in under your eyes, things of that nature. But you can also use this with the cream products to apply your makeup, which is exciting. And then what else did I get? I got some refills because I was running low. So this is Vanilla Dust. This is how the tins come, and then you slide out the product, and then this is the part that will go into your palette. So this is the setting powder. It's called Vanilla Dust. Then I also got some more of my main shade. So the other nice thing is I was only out of my main highlight. I still had my brightener, my contour, my bronzer. So I don't have to go and buy a whole new palette. I can just replace the empty tin with the shade I need. So it really stretches the dollar when you are a makeup lover. And then this is completely new to me. Where did it go? So recently they combined, Seint offers two product lines of makeup. One is 3D foundation, which is what I talk about on this channel all of the time. The other product they offer is Demi Color, which is a way of doing makeup where it's all based on color science and you are only minimizing distractions on the face. You are not doing a full layer of makeup. So I have never shown any of the Demi products before. I do have their lip conditioner and lip gloss because the tins that they come in are half size. So when you're trying to fit as many tins into a palette as possible but keep the palette small, these little half-size tins are really cool for that. But I did purchase this color. This is called 01, and the reason is this is a great color if you're fair to medium. If you ever get this deep crease here under your eye, this is great for brightening that area and color correcting that area. It is also great for right down the center of your nose where you really want to brighten. You want to say hi to everybody, huh? So I'm excited to play with this as well. Then let's see what else is in the box. A few more things. I got right now on the site, they have, during the holiday season, they release their lip and cheek colors in half-size tins. So I do not believe this will be a permanent thing. It's just until they sell out. But I got some of my favorite lip and cheek colors in the half-size tin. So this one is called Frenchie. It's a beautiful peach color. Let me see if I can get it open. There we go. So it's this beautiful peachy pink. Then I got Black Cherry is another one that is very popular. And it looks so dark in the tin, but let me swatch it for you. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that color is. So pretty. I'll swatch Frenchie for you as well, if I can get it open again. There you go. So there's Black Cherry, there's Frenchie. Then I got Nude, which is another beautiful neutral. So Black Cherry, there's Nude. And then my favorite lip color ever, if you are looking for that perfect pinky nude that's like your lips but better, is Desert Sunset. So here it is in the tin, and I will swatch that for you. So there you have Nude, and there you have Desert Sunset. So those are the 4 colors I got. Clearly I'm into peachy nudes. So I'm excited for that as well. And I think that is everything. Let me just double check that I didn't miss any. Yep. So that's all I got. Let me know what you would like to see. I'm definitely going to do a video highlighting the powder brush because I've never used it before and I'm excited to try that. And otherwise, I hope you have a great day, whatever you are doing. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.